right, baby. Act cool. There's a cop behind us.
You got this. Just play it cool, guys.
Dispatch, be advised I am currently following a 1029V, white Suburban headed north on 138. Please advise.
No one else gets near them. They're mine. Go faster, Rosie.
Up ahead.
What the fuck is that?
Fucking mom.
Faster, Rosie!
This fucking thing is so slow.
Take that dirt road! Down there! Go! Turn!
Don't kill us. Okay, watch this. Watch this. Watch this. Watch this. Monkey, drive straight. Why is she driving? Why is she driving?
So you want to play in the dirt?
Wait, go right up here. Rosie, right up here.
Make a right.
Go!
You lose him.
Come on, Rosie, you can do this.
Hit them! Faster, baby. Faster. You got this.
Watch this. Watch this. Oh shit! Hold on. Got it. Oh. Baby, hit it.
Don't lose them! Cut them off! Go after them.
Shit, push it.
Hold on, guys!
Shoot to kill.
Don't tip the car, babe. Push the gas pedal. Push it. Oh shit. Okay. Woo. Honey, I think you lost them.
Keep going.
Hit it. Oh my gosh.
When I say, hit those brakes as hard as you can.
Now!
You guys good? I raised a fucking psychopath.